Good morning to everyone Manga Kalasa for today's video. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Once again, thank you, Lord, for this wonderful morning that you've given to us of another day in life. Now we will do the usual daily routine as continuation of our scope of work installation and fabrication. For now, as you can see, some of our workers will do installation bottom bars using 12 millimeters diameter spacing at 10 mm both ways. Today is our 68th days in progress to our project. Please watch until the end of my videos and don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to share, and to pick and click the notification bell to always update it in my upload videos. Thank you so much everyone Manga Kalasa.
Mr. Sergs _Kalasa TV.